Welcome guys to the Crazy Hands Knitting and Crocheting channel, and in this video tutorial we are going to learn how to knit the super easy, absolutely beginner friendly socks. You can make them longer, shorter, with folded cuff or without. So what you need just to knit a piece and then we will sew it. Don't worry about seam, it's really smooth and you will not even feel it. The sock will fit any size, so everything depends on length, but if you want a bigger size, for example for men, wider, make it wider, so cast on plus 4 stitches. Also, if you want it longer or shorter, just knit back and forth as many centimeters you want. The length of my sock is 41 centimeter, so for me it was enough. Regarding materials, you will need circular needles or straight needles 3.5 millimeters and yarn, any yarn you like. I'm using today Red Heart Soft. It is written that it's medium worsted weight yarn, and for these socks you will need less than half of this skein. So if you are ready, let's do it together. Using long tail cast on method and 3.5 millimeters knitting needles, cast on any number that is divisible by 4 plus 2 selvage stitches. I cast on 38 stitches. 36 divisible by 4 plus 2, 38. Skip the first stitch, it is a selvage stitch, and knit 1. After that we are going to start knitting ribbing. Purl 2, knit 2. So purl 2, knit 2, purl 2, knit 2, purl 2, knit 2. Please finish this row. At the end, purl 2. Now, as you remember, we started after the selvage stitch, we started with knit 1, so we will finish also with knit 1. And the last selvage stitch, we are going to knit it as well. Not as we usually do, we don't purl here, but we knit it. It will help us at the end to make a seam. So row number 2, slip the first stitch, and then whenever you see purl, you purl the purls and knit the knits. So purl 1, knit 2. So we go on knitting ribbon. Now you see 2 purl stitches, purl them, purl 2, knit 2, purl 2, knit 2, purl 2, knit 2. Please finish this row and I will see you at the end. At the end, purl 1 and knit the last selvage stitch and pull the tail here. That's it. Now you are going to repeat and knit ribbon. So slip the first stitch, always slip it, then knit 1, purl 2. So you're going to repeat first 2 rows until you reach desired length of the sock. I'm going to finish before I reach 38 centimeters. Here I am, guys. So let's measure it now. I said 38 centimeters because we will make decreases yet. Let's check. 38 centimeters. Now we are going to make 6 rows of decreases. Just a little bit. Slip the first stitch. And now when you see knit and then purl stitch after, make slip, knit, pass over, slip, knit, pass over. So we decreased 1 purl stitch. After that, purl 1, knit 1, and repeat again. You see knit stitch, after that purl stitch. So make decrease, knit, slip, knit, pass over, purl 1, knit 1, and again slip, knit, pass over, purl 1, knit 1, slip, knit, pass over, purl 1, knit 1, slip, knit, pass over, purl 1, knit 1 till the end. At the end, knit the last selvage stitch. Turn. In the second row there will be no decreases, just knit the knits and purl the purls. Slip the first stitch, purl 1, knit 1, now purl 2, knit 1, purl 2, knit 1, purl 2, until the end. At the end, purl 2, knit 1, purl 1, and knit the last stitch. Turn. Row number 3, we are going to make decreases again. Slip the first stitch and you see again knit stitch and after that purl stitch. Slip, knit, pass over. After that knit 1, knit 1, and again slip, knit, pass over, knit 1, you see purl stitch, slip, knit, pass over, knit 1, slip, knit, pass over. So go on making decreases till the end of this row. At the end, slip, knit, pass over, then knit 1 and knit the last selvage stitch. Turn. Row number 4 will be without decreases and we are going to purl all stitches. So purl till the end. Row number 5, last row with increases, slip the first stitch and knit 2 together till the end. Knit 2 together, knit two together, knit two together, and knit the last selvage stitch. Row number 6, no decreases, just purl all stitches. Slip and purl remaining stitches and knit the last selvage stitch. That's it, that's what we have. Now cut the yarn, leaving tail at least 50-60 centimeters. You can use yarn needle now or tapestry needle. Thread the tail. And we are going to seam. And we will start from toes. Slip all remaining stitches. And pull the tail through. Now join front and back part. So let me show you here to make a circle. One and one more stitch. Now, if you are doing as I said, knitting always the last selvage stitch, you will get these bumps or ridges on one side and on another side. And through them we are going to insert the needle. Really easy. So find the first one, and insert the needle from right to left, here and then here. Now again, insert the needle from right to left, here, and where is the second one? Here, through this one. So really easy. The only secret, please do not pull tight. The tail, otherwise at the end the back part of your sock can be shorter than the front. So slightly, and that's what we have. Like this, go on seaming through these bumps, insert a needle from right to left till the very end. And when you are done, so you see my back part a little bit lower than the front one, so you need to pull here from the beginning the seam. Let's check. You can pull a little bit more, just the seam, pull the seam. So I think it's okay now. Now let's weave in ends on the right side, because I'm going to have a folded cuff. Here you can make a knot, and weave in this end along the seam. Pull, and don't forget pull here. Let's do a little bit more. Do the same with the second tail, this one. So that's it. Don't forget to wash your socks after. Let's try it. I like the result. I hope you too. Thank you guys so much for watching this tutorial with me. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. If you like crocheting, there is also crochet channel, separate channel now. Don't forget to like this video, and if you have questions, leave comments. If you like this tutorial, you can check other socks, flat socks and slippers on my channel. So there are lots of them already, and stay tuned. I'm going to add new slippers and new socks tutorials in the future. Thank you so much again, and I hope to see you soon. Bye.